Hello guys, what's going on internet? This is me Yusuf Adil from Graphic Bytes. Today we are going to learn how you can create this broken glass impact on your background or on your design wherever you are designing. So let's start. You can just do that by just installing one brush from the Brushly website. I will give you the link in the description, so then you can download that link and you can use these brushes for your designs. Okay, so let's start by using the black background layer. Okay, and then we are going to take a new layer and we are going to brush, and we are here we can find the brush card broken, I think so, broken glass. Okay, this is here, and we can select. There are lots of variations. I'm just putting randomly so you can see that, and let's make the color white so it can be visible on the black, so then you can see that how impactful it's looking. You can just do here and you can write text here wherever you want in the blank space, or you can do in the full canvas, so it will looks good. Okay, so we are done with this tutorial. Hope you will like this tutorial. If you like, so then please like, share and subscribe. See you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.